Good morning. It's April 1st.
It's April 1st, April Fools. That's us.
I told you guys that I asked you guys if I should be vlogging every day in April, and 80% of you guys said yes.
And this is not an April Fool's joke.
No.
She's gonna do it for the entire month of April, right?
I'm gonna do it. Yeah. So for the 20% that said just keep it on Instagram, I apologize, but I will try to do both. So right now we are heading to church.
Wait, for those 20% of you, this is the joke. Because you're gonna get a whole month of videos. So, haha, joke's on you.
Okay, so we are at Starbucks because we're grabbing some yummies before we head out. And I don't know if you know, but yesterday we went to the beach.
We did.
It was really warm where we live.
And then it got real cold.
And then it got 10 degrees colder in Malibu. So I got a stuffy nose and a sore throat. And that kid over there is coughing. But I gave him a little piece of candy. And he's holding it like a little...
Was that it? Or did you
Nope. There's a drink for this order and then another drink for Friedia. And did you get something to eat?
I'm back in the laundry room. I'm making little Easter eggs. Yeah? Huh. You look real Eastery. Dad. What happened?
Take a picture.
No, I'll take a picture.
Alright, I'm hiding all the Easter eggs for Everest. I didn't realize how much fun this was. Our parents were having a lot of fun putting these things in little hidden places. This is probably the best, probably more fun than finding them, I think. And then we get to see him find them later, which is going to be really exciting. So I think I'm going to put one in this little thing right there. Oh, you're sitting up good. Mmm.
So nice.
This is a good Easter picnic we're having here.
Yeah. Yum.
Eat, Mommy.
All right.
Eat the mac and cheese.
Do it. You have your Easter basket?
All right, Everest. Here's your basket. Let's go hunting for eggs. Can we go find them? Want to go look around the yard and see if we can find some more? Okay, let's see, Momo. We're gonna go on a hunt. Okay, let's take the basket. Let's go look.
You found one!
You found one. Anybody? Oh, I think you missed one. You can look around. Look around. Look around.
Is there anything on the chair?
Look around. Look around.
Anything on the chair?
Look around. Look around. Do you see one right in front of your face? Yay! What? You got one up? There's a purple one. Good job. Come on. Come on. What else we got?
Good job!
Look around the tree. Look around the tree. Look at the tree. Oh, did you see one there? Oh. Look at the tree. Do you see any of the tree? Look at the tree. Look around the tree. There it is. There it is. Can you get it? There you go. Okay, I think there's. Oh yeah, there's a fork. No, I think there's one more bite. Yay! You did it! You win! Come show them the eggs. it. I think that's it.
Yeah, you can have a bean.
7,
Good.
8, 9,
Red.
10,
Red.
11, 12,
Forgot.
13. You found all
Oh
these?
my gosh.
14, 15.
So many.
16.
Whoa. It is actually 9 p.m. Everest just went down for bed. We had a nice, lovely day with the family. After what I shot was us hanging out. I have so many colors. We were out in the backyard picnicking most of the time, and then we just kind of rolled around, played with the ball, rolled around.
We rolled around and played with the ball.
We're
dogs.
We're cats. Yeah, just basically a really nice, lazy, fun Easter Sunday with family. And they left probably about an hour ago, and then right away we did Everest's little bedtime routine, and he was out because he didn't take a nap all day, so he was out pretty quick.
You forgot to say we made homemade carne asada, tacos.
We did.
They
were delicious.
We did a lot. I felt like we did a lot.
Yeah, we did do a lot.
But we were here. We played Super Nintendo.
You did.
Come on, it was good times.
Yeah, so it was like a really nice day. It didn't feel like it was quick. It was like a nice long day, but it felt eventful.
Relaxing too.
And relaxing. So usually means that's good. Right now, Silicon Valley started again, so we are going to catch up on that. And also, there's this new show on HBO called Barry with Bill Hader. Oh, they do have a episode 2. It's so good. I love Bill Hader, so we're probably gonna watch that. And then I need to work on my taxes a little bit and draw a little bit, and then that's probably it. Ooh. My eyes. So yeah, I just wanted to say thank you guys for watching. Hopefully I can do this vlogging every day in the month of April, and if it goes well, maybe I'll keep doing it. We'll see. But let me tell you a little secret. The more I do not post, the more subscribers I get. It's a very odd thing that's happening at YouTube right now. Anyways, I will see you guys tomorrow.
Bye. Happy Easter.
Oh yeah, happy Easter. Bye guys.